Hello, and welcome to clue number 3 of our year-long Mystery Crochet Along. I hope you had fun working those cute little spike stitches last month and that you're all caught up and ready for this month's clue. If not, no worries, you have plenty of time. Sometimes life gets in the way of our best laid plans, and the only thing to do is to pick back up where you left off and just keep on going. So go ahead and grab color C and let's learn the next clue. And remember to keep your leftover partial skeins, as you will need them later in this project. Now we do have a couple of fun stitches to learn this month, so without further ado, let's get cracking. This month we are learning how to work a 4 double crochet cluster and a 4 double crochet cluster in 2 spike single crochet stitches. Whew. So let's go. You're going to start round 2 by slip stitching in your first chain 2 space and then work a chain 1, and you're going to go ahead and single crochet into that same chain 2 space, then chain 2, single crochet into the next chain 2 space and chain 2. Then you're going to skip the next single crochet and you're going to work a 4 double crochet cluster into the next single crochet. So to do that, just yarn over and insert your hook into the indicated stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. And you're going to do that 4 times. Yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and one more time, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And then when you have 5 loops on your hook, you're just going to yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. So there's your adorable little 4 double crochet cluster. So continuing on, we're going to chain 2. We're going to go ahead and skip this next single crochet and single crochet into the next chain 2 space, and then chain 2, single crochet into the next chain 2 space, and chain 2. Now we're going to work our 4 double crochet cluster over our 2 spike stitches. So here's our little spike stitches, and this is really fun. So you're going to go ahead and find the areas next to them, like so, and go ahead and start your 4 double crochet clusters. So 2 of your stitches will go here, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and do that again. Yarn over, insert into that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So you should have 3 loops on your hook at this point. Then jump over to the next one, yarn over, insert over here, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So do that again, yarn over, insert into that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And when you have 5 loops on your hook, you're going to go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 5. So it should look like this. You've got your little 2 double crochets, your 2 double crochets, 4 in total, and they're over that little spike stitch. And that's how easy this new stitch is. I hope you have fun working this section, and just try to find a little bit of time each day to work on your project, and you will be ready for clue number 4 in no time. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.